We are taking a live look over a kind of cold looking Moosehead Lake. It is 7:42 this Sunday morning and potentially snow there? I don't know.
I mean, there is some snow up there. I can't see it on the camera, but
it's hard to see for us, but
it's like 12 feet away from us, and it's like
it's small. Yeah, my eyes are not that good. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, we have some snow outside this morning. It's cold. It's just a very wintry couple days we have.
It's November. It was bound to come, so here we are.
We are making up for all the warmth that we've had for so
I know,
long,
exactly.
So.
We were treated too well. So,
exactly.
Yeah.
Now, even with this, it's all going to start to change here shortly. Now, that's because the cold front moved through. It's over the Atlantic right now, but as that has moved through, it's made way for some cooler air to rush in, which is why we're going to see cold. We're also going to see winds moving into your forecast. So those are the two biggest stories today, I'd say. It's just how windy and how cold it's going to be. So let's just break that down. Now, we're not quite there yet for the winds. It's still pretty calm for a lot of us, maybe a light breeze in some places. But if we look like even 6 hours from now, you're going to see all these numbers in the double digits pretty quickly. And wind gusts are going to be getting up to 40 miles an hour today. That's just enough to cause some power outages. So make sure you're aware of that today, that you could see some power go out just because everything could knock a loose tree branch with these wind speeds. Now, the other thing that the wind is going to do is make all your temperatures feel a bit cooler. Now, we're actually going to be in the highs in the 30s today. Not going to feel like it because everything's going to stay a little bit cooler as we go through the day. Going into your afternoon, those winds pick up and take your feels like temperatures down to the teens. So definitely cold already. And if we look a little bit further into tomorrow morning, I mean, single digits to start off your day tomorrow. So we're overall expecting a pretty cold day today, even colder tomorrow morning. But as we continue through your Monday, we're going to see those temperatures staying right where they are as well in that cold, cold little corridor where it's just kind of staying in the teens and 20s. So expect it to stay a lot cooler than the actual number you might see on your phone. It's going to be well below that. Now with that, that's allowing some snowflakes to occur in the forecast, getting a little bit of ocean effect snow for some of us. We're getting the best snow showers up in northern Maine right now, where visibility is a little bit lower because the wind is blowing all that around enough just to really lower it, below a mile a lot of the time. So just be aware of that as you're up that way or traveling through the mountains at all today if you are. A lot of people along the coast just going to see some flurries today, so not quite as impactful, but still, I mean, we're going to have a couple of flurries probably in your forecast. Luckily, with those flurries, we're still going to have the sun trying to peek its little head out through sometimes, so we're still going to get some sunshine in the forecast, also sometimes with some clouds, some flurries here and there, so a little mixed bag on the sun department today, but still should be a pretty good day overall as long as you bundle up real well because it is going to be cold, like I said. Sunshine to start off your Monday here, so we should see that continuing in the forecast, but as we go into the second half of your Monday, clouds will build right back into the area, so we will see it ending a little bit differently than it's going to start off tomorrow. Now there's a gale warning in effect. That's until 7 a.m. tomorrow. It's just really going to be pretty windy, like I said, here for the next couple of days. And for your 7-day forecast, we're seeing it all. Inland, we're going to have temperatures just a little bit lower than on the coast in the 30s for the next few days. We're going to have those clouds increasing, but I really think the main thing we're all going to focus on for the next few days is just how windy it's going to be. We're going to see 2 windy days here, very cold outside. So these temperatures in the 30s going to be a whole lot lower when you feel it outside. So just be ready for that as we go through that point in time. Now if we look along the coast, we're going to see it sting just a tiny bit warmer, but by warmer I mean like a few degrees, so nothing that special out there, but still getting some sun in the middle of the week. Thanksgiving for everybody, not looking too bad. Some sun, some clouds, but we're going to have temperatures right around 40 degrees again, so it's a pretty normal kind of Thanksgiving. I feel like it's never that toasty and you don't want it.
Right.
It
would be weird if it was 70 degrees outside on Thanksgiving. So, we're getting back to normal now.
Exactly. I mean, I feel like for some people in Florida, that's probably the case.
Well, yeah, in Maine, in Maine, I should
that would feel
myself.
so weird, though.
It would. It wouldn't be normal for up here, so
no, not
we're
at all.
okay with it. All right. Thank you, Erin.